So I'm Steve Green. I'm part of the Youth Homeless Prevention Service. We work with young people who are aged 11 to 25 who are at risk of becoming homeless. The aims of our project are to reduce homelessness with young people, and we would do that through a number of ways. It could be one-to-one work with a young person and working with them on life skills. It could be supporting them in accessing benefits or presenting that housing options. The issues young people could face that potentially could put them at risk of becoming homeless could be risk of a family breakdown or a relationship breakdown. It could be in relation to their education, training and employment and not being able to access any provisions like that within the community. Other work we will be doing with young people is we're doing school work where we educate in secondary schools within the Wrecsam area and delivering educational group work sessions throughout Wrecsam. We're also looking to do similar work within the youth provisions across the borough as well. So work that we would complete with any young person, and each young person will be individual to work that we do with them. So with some young people it could be life skills, and that could be anything from learning to cook. We would run cook and eat sessions, budgeting around day-to-day living. So they can come to the Vic Youth Centre and present here, and there'll be myself, Jenna, my colleague, and our manager Lucy, who will be able to support any young people who present here, and they can make a self-referral, or they can ask any professionals who are working with them, or they can present at the info shop, which is on Lampert Street, where our colleague Katie will be there 4 days a week to support.